Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating these two eye looks for you guys. I'm doing something out of the box for me and a little bit more fun. I wish I would have did this on Halloween. I keep saying that in the video, but it's like 2 days after Halloween and I totally just like missed an opportunity to have fun with makeup, but I'm doing it now. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, I was using the Summer in St Tropez palette by BH Cosmetics. If you'd like to see how I created these two looks, then just keep watching. All right, let's try out the palette. So it's Summer in St Tropez. I probably said that in the beginning. So channel the vibrant spirit of the tropics in our Summer in St Tropez 16 color shadow palette featuring a rainbow of island inspired hues in lush matte and glimmering shimmer finishes, whether you prefer a bright cut crease or pink and azure blue blended sun-drenched shades of wash of gold. Infinite eye looks fit, paradise awaits. I don't know. Okay, anyways, I probably should have did this on Halloween and did two different eye looks and just wore the makeup for when I was handing out treats, which was super fun to do. As I've gotten older, I've really started to enjoy that. Not that I didn't before, but I just really enjoy it now. It's so cute seeing the little kids dressed up and all excited, probably because my kids are getting older. My oldest hasn't gone out trick-or-treating probably in the last couple years. I know my middle one will be ending that soon. He's going off to high school next year, so I think just seeing little kids and getting to see my little nephew too. He's just like 1.5, so I get to enjoy that phase again. All right, let's open it up. I have not tried a BH Cosmetics eyeshadow. I have their contouring palette, which I've had forever and loved. I know my YouTube friend Heather Austin raves about BH Cosmetic eyeshadows, so when I saw this palette at Winners, I had to buy it. Oh, it's giving me like Barbie vibes for sure. All right, let's do two different eye looks, one on each eye for time reasons. Gotta go pick up my son. All right, I'm gonna just check this out and then get into it. All right, sand is going to be our starting color for the first look. As you can see, and I probably already mentioned, I am in a different room. I keep traveling as we are renovating bits and pieces of our house. We did the bathrooms. I've pretty much done those, so I think in the next upcoming videos I'll just show you guys the before and afters. I'll show you guys what the dining room looks like right now. We're changing the flooring in there. So that's where I've been the last little bit. But now I'm just down in our other kind of a living space, which is a total waste of space to me. Back in the day, they did like your family room and then your fancy room that you didn't sit in, but we sit in the fancy room that you're not supposed to sit in, and this family room is just extra wasted area. All right, let's see what we're gonna do. Let's play with some pinks and purples on this eye. So I'm gonna go into Nightlife, which is kind of like a deep plummy pink color. And I'm just going to start that here on the brow bone. Sand was a very beautiful matte, as Nightlife looks to be as well. Very pigmented matte. I'm just going to press that into the crease as well. Very pigmented. Wow. I'm going to definitely be keeping my eye out for more BH eyeshadow palettes at Winners. I would order them off the internet, does that sound weird? Online, I would order them online. I don't know if it's like how the shipping is and this and that, and I like seeing the palettes, so I'm just gonna blend that out. Now I'm going to take Cabana and I'm going to go on my eyelid with that. These colors are gorgeous. Wow, this is like not fall or winter colors, but whatever. These are fun, super fun. They blend beautifully. The mattes are blending so nicely. All right, let's go in with Sizzle and do like a halo eye. Just taking a little bit more of a dense brush and just gonna pack that into the outer corner. As well as the inner corner. Great, I'm gonna take another little flat brush and go in with Intoxication. And I'm gonna go right in the middle there. Oh my goodness. These are so good. I don't reach for colorful palettes. I like the neutral palettes, but like when you can get an affordable color, like this was, what was this? What was this? $8.99, $9 Canadian at Winners. Like when you just want to have fun and just play, like sometimes I just want to play with my makeup. When you can find, let's go up here as well. It's like a sunset on my eye. When you can find a colorful palette that is affordable and the quality is like so good, like it's just a win-win. I'm gonna go in again with Sizzle underneath my eye. Like I wish I had somewhere. Why didn't I do this for Halloween? I had the day to myself. I should have just did this. Boys went hunting for the day with their dad, so I should have just played with makeup and did like a crazy makeup look. And like there's some fallout in the pan, but not all over my eye. So it's just because there's such rich colors, I think that we're getting a little fallout. That is okay. I'm okay with it. So the rest of my eye, I'm going to use Intoxication. Oops, this broke. Just kind of pat it all in together. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Paradise or Exotic. Paradise or Exotic. Let's go in with Exotic. It's a little bit lighter. So I'm just going to pick that up with my finger and pat that in the middle of my eye. Okay, let's try to pick up some of it and put it underneath. All right, this is the first look complete. I think it's super fun. Feels very tropical, getaway. I can hear my dog probably on her leash right now. I love the way it turned out. Oh my gosh, you guys. The shadows are so amazing. The quality of them is just so beautiful. They're so blendable and pigmented. Like, I love them. So fun. Now let's get into look number 2. All right, let's start off with a Super Yacht, which is kind of like a navy color. I'm just taking a pointed brush and I'm just gonna kind of outline the top of my crease so you could still see the color. We're not losing it in the crease because of our deep set eyes. And I'm just gonna kind of lightly just blend it out. Just follow along. And then just kind of wing it out at the end. All right, now I'm gonna kind of blend, what is this? Pampelon? Pampelon, this teal, bright blue color, just in with the dark color. So just over top. Like that. And then just kind of blend it out. And then take sand, the neutral color, and I'm gonna fill that in here. I think there is some pink residue left on it. There is. Did I blend sand with this? Thought I did. It's okay. Definitely gonna have to wash all my brushes after, so I'm gonna take crepe, which is a nice kind of orange color. Just gonna blend that in the front, up into my crease. All right, I'm gonna go in with the purple color, which I think is Cabana. I think I was calling the pink color Cabana, and it is Villa. And I'm just gonna put that in this back corner here. All right, let's go under the eye with Pampelon. This is totally not something I would wear, but it's just like the artist in me just kind of wants to just try out these colors and just blend them through. Like, just want to see what they look like. And it's just like, I feel like I'm creating a wave on my eye, and like the sun is there, and yeah, it's just a little random and a little bit avant-garde, but I just kind of want to play around with it and have fun. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Coastline and my finger, and this has a lot of iridescence in it and like duochrome. It's reflecting. I see like purples and greens and blues in it. It's almost got a cooler tone to it, so I'm just gonna pack that on. It's actually really pretty. I might try to use a flat brush and pack more of this all over the lid, because this is gorgeous. All right, I went in and packed more of the bay into the corner of my eye. The purple just wasn't deep enough, so I think that works much better. Turned out pretty cool. I actually feel like Harley Quinn with this makeup look. All right, let me show you guys what is going on in the dining room. All right, this is the final look for the second look. I wish you could see it in person, because it just, the colors are not done justice on camera. The lighting's kind of not awesome right now, but it just feels like a mermaid, and it just feels beautiful and tropical and very fun. And this shade is probably my favorite shade in the palette. Coastline is gorgeous. It just has this iridescence to it, but also just blended all the colors together beautifully, like a mermaid tail. Like, that's what it reminds me of. So gorgeous. This was so fun to play with. Not looks that I would generally go for or wear out, but the artist in me loves to create and have fun with color, so definitely want to try out another look in this palette and get into like this deep coral color. I used quite a bit in here, so that's awesome, but definitely want to create some more looks. You could do more of a neutral look, I think, with it as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, seeing the St Tropez palette in action. The colors blend so nicely, and absolutely love the way it all turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.